Let's answer letter D using Gibbs equation. Gibbs equation is change in free energy is equals to change in enthalpy minus temperature multiplied by the change in entropy. So from the previous example, we did the entropy and the enthalpy. So the data or the answer is provided here. We have negative 41.92 joule per Kelvin. And then for the enthalpy, we have negative 41.17 kilojoule. So take note of the unit, we have kilojoule. And for the entropy, we have joules per Kelvin. So make sure you convert the entropy to kilojoule per Kelvin for it to match the unit of the enthalpy. So to convert it, you need to divide it by 1,000. When you divided it by 1,000, you will get a value of negative 0.04192 kilojoule per Kelvin. So now let's apply the equation and solve for the change in free energy. Let's substitute the enthalpy. We have negative 41.17 kilojoule minus the temperature, that will be 298 Kelvin, meaning the standard state at 25 degrees Celsius, which is written here. 298 Kelvin times negative 0.04192 kilojoule per Kelvin. Now let's rewrite. The unit Kelvin will be cancelled. And let's multiply 298 times negative 0.04192. The answer is negative 12.49216 kilojoule. And then let's rewrite the entropy, which is negative 41.17 kilojoule. Okay, remember, if we have a both negative sign, when multiplied, it will be changed to positive sign. Plus 12.49216 kilojoule, and we have negative 41.17 kilojoule. Negative 41.17 kilojoule plus 12.49216, you will get negative 28.67 or negative 28.68 kilojoule. The change in free energy is negative 28.68 kilojoule. So for letter E, will be the reaction spontaneous at 298 Kelvin, which is the standard state temperature, 25 degrees Celsius. Remember, if the change in free energy is a negative, meaning the reaction is spontaneous.